Angie's Table. Today we're gonna show you guys 3 summer drinks that you can make, and they're super easy. So last year we did show you guys how to do 3 different types of cocktail drinks, but we're gonna take the fun out of it this year. It's still gonna be really good, so let's get started with our Grapefruit Ade. For this Grapefruit Ade, I'm gonna use this grapefruit tea that I got at Costco. Actually, my aunt got this for me. It's a Korean brand, but if you guys wanna make this, you can. It's basically gonna be the same instructions as our lemon preserve that we made in a video a while back. We will clip it up above, so if you guys are curious on how to make this, then just replace the lemon with the grapefruit. We're gonna add some of the grapefruit tea in there. I'm adding about 3 spoonfuls of it. Then I'm gonna fill more than halfway with sparkling water. Now we're gonna give it a really good stir. Top it off with ice. And as my garnish, I'm gonna stick a sprig of rosemary in it. And all you need to do is mix and you got the perfect summer drink. Let's give this a try. Wow. Wait, I need to try it. Wow. Right? It's the perfect summer drink. I had a little grapefruit stuck in the straw. I couldn't get any liquid. Next, let's move on to our purple lemonade. So we're gonna start off by making our butterfly pea tea leaf ice cubes, and the butterfly pea tea leaf is what makes the color of this blue. So I thought this would be a really nice touch if the ice cube stayed blue, which means that the drink will stay purple the entire time you're drinking this. We're gonna boil about 1 cup of water and steep about 7 tea leaves in it. In the description box, we have an Amazon link to the exact butterfly pea tea leaf that I purchased. So freeze this overnight, and the next day you're able to enjoy this drink. So I'm gonna fill the cup more than halfway with these ice cubes. We'll add a little bit of sparkling water. I like that fizz in it, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of sparkling water, and this is pretty much up to you guys. If you guys want it a little sweeter, then you can add less of the sparkling water and more of the lemonade. And next we'll add lemonade. Get any brand that you'd like. Fill this about 75 to 80% of the way. And then we'll top it off with a little bit of steeped butterfly pea tea leaf tea, just to give it that nice color. We're gonna add some lemon slices for garnish, and we're ready to drink this. This one's not as sweet as the first one. Right?
So refreshing.
It's very refreshing. I like that it's not as sweet, but I think it's because we're not adding Sprite or anything that has like added sugars to it. This is so good. It's so good. Yeah. All right, so now we'll move on to our coffee drink. We're gonna make Kevin's famous honey latte, and I don't know how to make an espresso or use this machine, so Kevin will make us an espresso, so let's get started. So I think Kevin measured out 17 grams of whole bean coffee to make a double shot espresso, and we are using Caldi's coffee. Grace and I spent majority of our lives in St. Louis for school and for work as well, and we've actually really fell in love with Caldi's, and I would probably say even till this day that it's one of our favorite coffee beans. So we're gonna have a double shot of that, set that aside, and let's get some honey and add hot water to it just to liquefy it, and we're gonna mix it until it's runny and set it aside. To a cup, we're gonna add some ice in and our liquid honey. We're gonna add in your choice of milk. Sometimes I love oat milk in this, but we didn't have oat milk, so we're gonna use just regular 2% milk. And top it off with our espresso, and it's the best drink, I promise you guys. Make sure to mix this well because all the honey's at the bottom. I mean, I already know how this tastes. I love this. Wow. Wow, that's so much better than Starbucks.
This is my favorite.
It's so good. It's so smooth and it's the perfect sweetness.
It's better than Hawaii.
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 Wow, so good. So we really hope you guys enjoyed all three drinks and tested out. It's really fun, and I feel like it's so summery. Like just looking at it is like summer. That's all it screams out to me. So we'll see you guys on our next video.